William, no.
Can you remember when she killed the squirrel and ate half of it?
I reckon she was
She
young.
was a real hunter, was Molly.
Honey, stuff him, please.
He's not looking, all he's looking at is a Molly. And everything else is totally irrelevant.
Well, I don't know. The strawberries aren't completely irrelevant. He's such a little boy, isn't he?
It could be he was grumpy just because he'd only woken up.
Yeah.
Seems to be alright now.
He's not usually that grumpy.
She's hiding now.
He's not usually that grumpy when he wakes up, though. And he was really pulling away
Oh,
his
he
teeth.
was pushing his finger in his ear. That's what made me think.
Yeah. And Sue said he was going like that, literally going like that.
Yeah.
So maybe something was written. Maybe it's not as bad as
It comes and goes, you see.
what he does all the time.
He's so quick, he's doing now. He's not been that long. Very agile on his feet.
It's been 3 months now. Been walking for 3 months.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, it was like that.
he's been walking for nearly a quarter of his life. So far. It puts things in perspective.
Hey.
No, Sue, stop it. You want to give it to Molly?
Molly doesn't want strawberries.
He wants to make a friend.
She's a little social cat, is Molly, so she